Okay, vertex at origin. This is the vertex at origin 0 0. Focus f 0 comma 4. So that means this is the line. So line of symmetry or the transverse axis or the axis of the parabola will be positive y-axis. That will be on this, in this way. What is the distance from vertex to the focus? This is 0 0. So only this is 0 to 4. So 0 to 4 will be the 4 distance. So P is equal to 4. This is the distance 4. So P is equal to 4. P is equal to 4. Zain Ahmed Siddiq 64131. Okay. So P is 4. Vertices are 0 0. And this is on the y-axis, on the positive y-axis. So that means x square is equal to 4 into 4. This is the P into x into y. If it is x square, there will be y. X square is equal to 16y. This is on the positive and negative side of the x-axis. So whatever be the value of x, we are taking the square because it will be positive. So this is x square equal to 4y. So x square is equal to 16y. Now question number 5. Vertex at the origin, focus at minus 4 0. Question number 5. Vertex at origin, focus minus 4 0. So if I sketch, this is on the x-axis origin. This is the vertex V, origin. Vertex V, origin. Focus minus 4 0 on the x-axis. So this is minus 4 0. So P will be distance from vertex to the focus is P. The distance from vertex to the focus is P, that is minus 4. So P is equal to minus 4. And the equation will be equal to, this is in this way. So this is on the y-axis, maybe positive or maybe negative, but x always be negative, only one value. So y may be positive, maybe negative. This is y positive, here's the y negative. So we will take y square. 4 into the value of P into the x. Y square is equal to minus 16x. This is the answer. Y square is equal to minus 16x. Now question number 8. Now it is a bit different question. Vertex at the origin, directrix y equal to 2. Focus is not given. Now the directrix is given. Equation of the directrix. Directrix is a line, so therefore equation will be given. Focus is a point. Therefore the coordinates will be given. On the points we will get the coordinates. On the line we will get the equation. And the line segment we will get the length. vertex at the origin, and the equation of the directrix is y is equal to 2. We will do question number 7. Y is equal to minus, x is equal to minus 1. This is question number 5. We will pass question number 7. Directrix x is equal to minus 1. Equation of the directrix. So if I draw, this is the vertex. At origin, equation x of directrix x is equal to minus 1. From here to here, the distance is minus 1. This is the distance minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Equation of the directrix. So if the distance from vertex to the directrix is minus 1, so the distance of the focus from the vertex on the other side will be the same. It is minus 1, that will be plus 1. If the distance from the equation of the directrix x is equal to minus 1, so we'll draw this one minus 1. So now what is the distance from the vertex to the directrix? This distance is minus 1. X, the coordinate of x is minus 1. That means from here to here is minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So therefore the distance on the x-axis will be minus 1. The x coordinate is minus 1 from here to here. So if it is minus 1 distance, on the other side up to the focus it will be plus 1. So the coordinates of the focus will be 1, 0. So therefore the p value of p will be equal to 1. Value of p will be 1. And the equation will be, so this is focus. So that will be in this way. Parabola will be on the in this way. So it will be on the positive side of the x-axis. So y square is equal to 4 into the value of p1 into x. So y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x. 63254 Ahmad Mirza. So this is the equation of the parabola when the equation of the directrix and the vertex are given. Equation of the directrix and the vertices are given.
सर थोड़ा ऊपर कर देंगे कैमरा, एक क्वेश्चन
ये ऊपर कर दूंगा तो ये हो जाएगा ना, नीचे वाला वो हो जाएगा, छुप जाएगा.
सर ये जो इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स है
जी,
ये अगर -2 हो तो फिर 2 वो हो जाएगा, फोकस 2 हो जाएगा.
हाँ 2,0 हो जाएगा. फोकस 2 नहीं होगा, फोकस मस्ट हैव द टू कोऑर्डिनेट्स x एंड y. तो 2,0 हो जाएगा. p will be 2. ये -2 होगा on that side. If it is -2, x is equal to -2, direction will be over there. So focus will be over there. The same distance 2, 2,0. Then p, the value of p will be 2. It will be 4 into 2 into x. 4 into 2 into x. It will be y square is equal to 8x.
सर आंसर y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x आ रहा है
जी. Question number 9. Directrix x minus 2 equal to 0. Vertex at the origin. Question number 9. Vertex origin x is equal to x minus 2 equal to 0. Question number 9. Equation of directrix x minus 2 equal to 0. Vertex at origin. So when x minus 2 equal to 0, that means x is equal to 2. This is the equation of the directrix. So the distance from origin to the directrix will be 2 on the x-axis. This is the vertex, origin. This is the directrix, x is equal to 2. So positive 2 means over there. So this will be the equation of the directrix. X is equal to 2. X minus 2 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 2. Equation of the directrix. So this distance will be 2 units. So that is the point 2, 0. Focus will be on the opposite side of the vertex.
P जो -2 होगा.
G. That will be from here to here, opposite side on the of the vertex. If it is 2, that will be on the opposite side of the y-axis, then -2. So focus will be equal to, this is the distance -2, -2, 0. So that will be the shape of the parabola.
सर इक्वेशन बराबर में लिख लीजिएगा ताकि पूरा बोर्ड
Equation of the parabola. That is the focus of the parabola. This is the sketch of the parabola. So what will be the equation? This is on the both sides of the x-axis. So y square is equal to 4 into the distance is -2 into x. So y square is equal to -8x. Y square is equal to -8x is the equation of the parabola. Abdul Bari 10233. So this is the equation of the parabola. Y square is equal to -8x. This is on the negative side of the x-axis. So this will be -8x. 4 times of the value of p, that is -2. So 4 into -2 into x. Abdul Rafi 63914. In the same way, we will do another question. Question number 11. Now in this question, vertex and the equation of the directrix was given. In the previous question, vertex and the focus were given. In the previous question, vertex and focus were given. In this question, vertex and the equation of the directrix are given. And now question number 11. Directrix and focus are given. Directrix y -3 equal to 0. Focus 0, -3. Question number 11. Directrix. When I am writing directrix, it means the equation of the directrix. Remember, I am not writing the full sentence. Equation of the directrix. It means the directrix means the equation of the directrix. Y minus 3 equal to 0. You must understand directrix means the equation of the directrix. Y minus 3 equal to 0. And the focus is 0 comma minus 3. Y minus 3 equal to 0 means y equal to 3. Draw the line or draw the axis xy. Y is equal to 3. So this is the y is equal to 3. This is the 3 units from vertex origin. This is the origin. So this is the equation of the directrix. Y is equal to 3. So parabola will be on the opposite side. Focus is 0 minus 3. This is the distance minus 3. So what is the distance between 3 and minus 3 will be 0. This is the vertex. Vertex will be origin. Vertex will be at the origin. So this is the parabola will be in this way. So the distance, this is minus 3. P is minus 3. Here the P is minus 3. So this is on both the sides of the x-axis to x square. Minus 3 into y. X square is equal to minus 12y. This is the, sorry, minus 12y. X square is equal to minus 12y is the equation of the required parabola. Hassan Rahim 64091. Two students are left. Tala Tajdeed and Hamza Shafiq. They are not coming. Okay. So that was the question. These were the questions where we are finding the equation. We are forming the equation. We formed the equation in all these questions. Now the equation is, if the equation is given, how to find the vertices and equation of the focus vertex and equation of the directrix. Another question, sorry. Question number 13. Vertex at the origin, axis along the x-axis, passing through the point minus 2, minus 4. Neither focus is given, nor the equation of the directrix is given, but the vertex is given and the point on the parabola is given. Point on the parabola and vertex is given, and the x-axis is given, axis of transverse axis is given, axis along the x-axis. Salah Tajdeed 60286. Talha Tajdid. You can't give up this bad habit, coming late. It may be the regular class, the normal class, or it may be online class. Always late. Question number 13. Vertex at the origin. तुम्हारी लाइट ही नहीं होती। फाक तुम क्लास में आओ, आम क्लास हो, नॉर्मल क्लास हो, उसमें भी तुम हमेशा लेट आते रहे हो, लेट आते थे, और यहाँ भी तुम हमेशा लेट आते हो, तो अभी तुम्हारी लाइट होती ही नहीं है। दिस द फोर्थ वीक। Vertex at the origin. One thing, this is given. Hyder Ali, Kausar Bilal. Vertex at the origin. Axis along the x-axis. That means the transverse axis or the axis of symmetry. And the third thing, passing through -2, -4. These are the three things given. We have to find the equation. Axis along x-axis. So that means equation will be vertex at the origin. So equation will be y square is equal to 4px. Axis along x-axis में हमारे पास y square is equal to 4px होता है. Y square is equal to 4px when the axis is along x-axis. If it is on the y-axis, so x square is equal to 4py. If it is axis along y-axis, it will be x square is equal to 4py. So the parabola is passing through this point. So we put these points to find the value of p. -2, x is -2, y is -4. So -4 square, 4p into -2 square, because -2 -4, these are substituted over there. So 16 is equal to 16p, 4p into 4. So 16 is equal to 16p. P is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. This value of P will be substituted over there. This value of P will be, sorry. Yes, correct. This value of P will be substituted over there. We will get the answer. So y square, therefore, equation of parabola we will substitute p in this one over there. So y square 4 into 1 into x. So y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x. This is the equation of the parabola. Oh, sorry. This is not a square. You made mistake. No one is telling me. This is not a square boy. This is x minus 2. It will become minus 8p. So p will become 16 over minus 8. The answer is minus 1. Equation. Y square. P is replaced over there. Minus by minus 1. So y square is equal to 4 into minus 1 into x. The answer is y square is equal to minus 4x. Y square is equal to minus 4x is the required equation of the parabola. That was question number 13. In the same way, the other question, when it's passing through the some point, we will write the equation, we will put that point to find the value of p. If it is along x-axis, we will write y square is equal to 4px. If it is along y-axis, sorry. If it is x-axis, y square is equal to 4px. If it is axis along y-axis, it will be x square is equal to 4py. जी
सर 16 टू 16 8 टू से 16 ही होगा तो 2 आएगा
2
-2
आएगा
आएगा
हाँ
सर
सही सही कह रहे हो बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो यू आर राइट थैंक यू दिस इज -2 we'll substitute -2 it will become -8x it will become -8x correct so y square is equal to -8x in the same way we will do question number 14 now equations will be given we have to find the focus and the equation of the directrix in exercise 15 to 30 find the coordinates of the focus and the equation of the directrix in each exercise and sketch. Equation is given. We will find focus and equation of directrix as well as we will sketch the parabola. Question number 15. X square is equal to 8y. So that will be the parabola. X square is equal to 8y. This is the parabola. The axis of parabola will be on the y-axis and positive y-axis. Axis of the parabola will be y-axis. Then other thing, vertex will be 0, 0. Now we have to find the equation of the directrix as well as the focus. First of all, we find the value of p. So when the axis of parabola is y-axis, so it will be, sorry, yes, y-axis. So it means x square is equal to 4py. Y-axis की इक्वेशन ये होती है. So 8 is equal to 4p. 4p is equal to 8. This is 4p here. Here is 8. If you compare the two equations, so 4p is equal to 8. So p will be equal to 2. P will be equal to 2. Always write 64139. Hamza Shafiq, only his.
सर ये पी जो है ये हमेशा हाफ होता है, क्या कहते हैं अगर
आप होगा बेटा, ये 4p होगा ना. इक्वेशन मैंने क्या बताया, ये 4px 4py etc. So that is equal to 4p. We'll find the value of p. Zain Ahmad Siddiqui, 64131. We compare the two equations so that this is the 4p. 4p is equal to 8, so p will be equal to 2. ये half किसने कह दिया half है. If it is 12, it will be 3. We will find the value of p. अच्छा, vertex हमने बताया origin पर है. That will be in this way. This will be the vertex, and axis will be on the y-axis, so that will be over there. P is positive 2, so focus will be over there. 0, 2 on the y-axis. X coordinate is 0, and this is the. ये sketch हो गया. Focus. Axis parabola, y-axis है, तो y coordinate will be changed from z. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. That will be changed of the vertex 2. So 0, 2 will be the focus. Direction will be on the opposite side. If it is 2, that will be minus 2. Here will be the directrix. Opposite side of the focus. On the vertex, that side is focus, that side will be the directrix. So directrix. This is positive 2, this is negative 2. So y is equal to, this is the y. Y is minus 2. Or y plus 2 equal to 0. You may write in this way or you may write in this way, both are correct. And this is the focus. We found all the two things, focus and the directrix, and sketched. We have sketched as well as we found the directrix, equation of the directrix, and the focus. So focus is 0, 2. Directrix is y is equal to minus 2 or y plus 2 equal to 0. Y plus 2 equal to 0 or y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix, and the focus is 0, 2. We will find the value of p. If it is positive p, it will be on that side 0, 2 vertex.